Hi everyone, this is week 2 update for Lovable shipped. We kind of have a lot of go through, so let's jump into it. I finally show you some of the app itself because there was nothing released yet. So here are we having onboarding part of the app quest. I don't want to be jumping to that much detail, but we are having authentication working. We can log in through Google or Apple. So let's do that. There is the onboarding part, which I wanted to skip because it's not really that important, but I wanted to show you a few features that I was working on that I found pretty cool. So basically, Adapt Quest is going to be having currency, and there is 3 main currencies. First is gold. Gold will be used for like items and equipment and stuff like that for your hero. Then there is silver coins, which are for custom rewards, which I find super cool, and I will jump right away into it. And there is like the third one is diamonds, which will be the premium currency. So what are the silver coins? The silver coins are for custom rewards, and what I created is basically custom shop where when you are finishing your quests, whatever they are, when you are completing your journey and you are on streaks and basically, as you can see here, I finished the quest for today, which was compliment someone. You are getting some experience, some gold, and you will be getting some silver based on your definition. So what you can do is you will go to your quest. It's still not here yet, but you will be able to add amounts of silver coins that you will receive. And then in the shop, you can set up the rewards that you want to basically be rewarded for. So you are basically rewarding yourself for the hard work that you are doing, and that's one of the concepts that I find really cool, and I wanted to showcase that. Basically, yes, you are getting golds, but you can set up how many silver coins you are getting for each quest and basically balance out the rewards that you want to be getting. And it can be, I don't know, like 1 hour of video game, or something, or whatever. And then I wanted to highlight the protection-based system, because I think the main issue is that when you are working on the habits, the problem is that when you messed up, or you will lose your streak, you are not really excited to start again, and you are really, yeah, like it's basically a huge pushback, and it's not really something that you want to be experiencing, and you might start avoiding, right? So the way I introduced this like streak protection, which is basically working the same way like in Duolingo, which means that you are having your streaks protected, and if you would start losing it, the streaks would be used for that. Okay, so that's basically something about the quest that I wanted to highlight, and these 2 features. And then what I have created so far is Pomodoro setup, where you are having some tasks that you create, you are having some analytics of how much work you are doing, and then we are having the journal part, where basically you can journal everything for your day. Here is the template of the questions that you want to be asking yourself. For example, you can adjust it, it's up to you. And then it will be stored and you can preview it whenever you want. Also, there is light mode, sorry, probably maybe hit someone, and dark mode implemented. And there is, of course, the full RPG mode and simple mode, but yeah, for this beta release, I want to focus simply on the simple mode because it's already a lot of stuff. There is a lot of analytics, everything I'm trying to get together. And yeah, so this is week 2 progress for me. Let me know in the comments what do you think about it. If anything catch your eye, and or you think there is something that you want to find out more about, I'm happy to answer that, or like any feedback would be appreciated. So this is week 2. See you next week. Bye.